Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 25th of November. And first of all, national news. Closely monitoring outbreak of H9N2 clusters of respiratory illness in children in China, government said. PM Modi likely to attend UN climate talks in UAE on November 30 to December 1. Government to enable citizens to file FIR against social media firms for IT rule violation. Afghanistan announced permanent closure of embassy in India. Ayurvedic products not part of India UK FTA dialogue. Planes losing GPS signal over Middle East, Indian regulator flags threat. Delhi released Rs 415 crore for rapid rail project after Supreme Court warning. Now some international news. British PM Rishi Sunak got small bump in opinion polls after crowd pleasing tax cuts. China will allow visa-free entry for France, Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Spain and Malaysia. Russia attacking Avdiivka from all directions, Kyiv said. China reported no unusual novel pathogens in respiratory illness surge, WHO. Pakistan confirmed it has applied for BRICS membership. And Japan military aid expanded Southeast Asia footprints. Now some sports news. Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, Chirag Shetty entered semi-final of China Masters 2023. Just played fearless cricket. Ishan Kishan helped me really well. Surya Kumar Yadav. IPL 2024 Ben Stokes will sit out next Indian Premier League season, confirmed defending champions CSK. Business related news. RBI tightening bankers blamed high NPFC exposure to small unsecured loans. NPS adoption by government sector at 6-month high in September. NSO data. DGCA issued circular to airlines AAI to deal with fake GPS signals. RBI slapped penalties totaling Rs 10.34 crore on Citibank, BOB and IOB. India's forex exchange reserves rose to 11-week high of $595 billion. And that's all in news. Thank you.